Yo. What's good, y'all? Fix myself. Surprise, shawty. Let me show y'all what I got. If you don't know, now you know. The fucking hair wax that all these bitches be doing, and I'm gonna do it. I want to do the blonde first, so I need to put a shirt on that I don't really fuck with. That's what I need to do. But I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like opening it up. So I want to do the blonde first and see how it turns out. If it doesn't turn out good, I'm gonna put the red on top, because why not? And if it really looks goofy, bro, it's gonna be an issue, like for real. Bro, they do it. They open it up and it gets all over their hands. So I'm gonna get some gloves. Let me find a shirt that I don't wear. This is literally so spontaneous, like, actually. I'll put this on. All right, bet. You know. Alrighty, bam. So earlier I put the aloe vera on it. I'm low-key scared, like, I know the red is, I'm not even gonna put nothing on my hands, but, because that's being brave. That's really being brave right now. But I hope it don't get everywhere. Let me see. Wash your hair, take a little bit of clay and rub in with your fingers. If I put this on, am I gonna have to, like, be careful not to get it on anything? That's what I'm kind of worried about. Like, am I gonna be able to lay down? Smells like, it doesn't smell bad, it just smells like chemicals. Let's do a strand. See what happens. This is definitely not enough. That's how much I got right now. All right, let's see. Bro, what the fuck? It looks golden. It's definitely golden. Why not show the entire process of the rest? Because, yeah. Maybe I was supposed to wet my hair and then do it. Let's get some water. Damn. Okay, I shot the beginning of my TikTok. As you can see, my hair is pretty thin and it spreads pretty easily, pretty fast. And yeah, for real, it don't even look blonde. It looks like just yellow shit is in my hair. But I'm thinking once I like, it just looks golden. Damn. The back is gonna be an issue, for real. I'm just going crazy in this right now. Different color links. Share your song. So, yeah. It don't say, oh, it does say wash your hair first, but no. Okay. Oh, fuck. That was a lot. Oh. Run up in his shit. It looks good at certain angles. I feel like this angle I'm at right now. Let's go to the bathroom. It's a little hard. Like, I don't think it's drying. Like, it'll dry my hair, but like, it's not soft. But yeah, why am I holding it like that? But yeah, it ended up looking pretty good in my opinion. I feel like if I just like sleep on it a little bit, get it to be more, what do you call it? How do you say? Como se dice? I got the red too. They're saying I should like go over it again. I'm gonna do half red and half blonde next video, perhaps, maybe, I don't know. But I posted a TikTok, didn't get any views. What else is new? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was literally just a test run. I really thought it wasn't gonna turn out that great, but surprised me. All right, yeah. Like and subscribe if you want more. All that.